How to register account on trip.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'm going to be guiding you through the processes on how you can register and sign into your account on the trip.com app. So you simply want to make sure to stick with me till the very end. The very first thing I want you to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the trip.com application that you can find it over here. Once you launch the trip.com, you can see whenever you open the app, it is not going to prompt you to log in or create an account. And if it doesn't, then what you can do instead is you can just head over to the account icon that you can see from the very bottom right hand side of the screen. And if you look at the very top of the screen, you have this blue option labeled as sign in or register. So you want to make sure to just tap the sign in or register button that you can find here. And then over here, you'll be able to see the email, Google or Facebook, or you can choose to also sign in with your email option over here. So just select, you can choose to sign in with WeChat or phone number, whatever else you prefer in this case. One of the most convenient way that I personally prefer is either with my Facebook or my Google ID. So I'm just going to select the continue with Google option over here. In case you do not choose the Google option, in this case, you'll be asked to enter the password and verify the email address of your trip.com app. This way you can go ahead and then register an account on trip.com. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.